Hi everyone, this is your Korean Sam, 진아. Today's expression is 입이 아프다. Repeat after me. 입이 아프다. 아프다 is to be hurt. 아파요. 머리가 아파요. 배가 아파요. What about 입이 아파요? 입이 아파요. When do you say this? Look at the picture here. Oh, they are maybe a couple and he is lying on the couch and does nothing. And she is nagging. She is saying something here. Look at the garbage and she says, "What is this? Throw this waste away. Why didn't you do the dishes? 설거지 왜 안 했어?" 음식물 쓰레기는 what about food waste? And she's keeping saying something, but he doesn't listen to. So what does she feel? She feels there's no point saying, right? So we say 입이 아프다 as to be worthless to talk. It's no point. There's no point saying again and again. So it is used when a person repeatedly says something which others don't listen to. Like this situation. So we have similar expression. 두 말 하면 입만 아프다. 만 is optional. 입만 아프다. 두 말 하면 입 아프다. In this case, 두 말 하면, if I say 2 times, my mouth hurts. So it is used as of course, 당연하지. So it's too obvious, it's too natural, it's too true, it's so true. So there's no point of saying twice. Like, let's say you have your favorite singer or actor, and I say, 너무 잘생겼어요. And your friends say, of course, why do you say that? 너무 당연해요. 두 말 하면 입 아프지. You can say like this. So it's slightly different. Here it's used as of course. But here 입이 아프다, it's used when you say something and it doesn't work, then you're energy draining and you don't want to say anything again. Then you say, 입 아파. Okay? Let's look at the example. Here, A. 주원아, 오늘 내가 설거지하는 날인 거 알지? 오늘 you should do the dishes today. It's your turn today. They are roommate, probably. And B. 주원 says, 미안, 깜빡했어. I'm sorry, I forgot. A. 지난주에도 안 했잖아. 내가 입이 아파서 말 안 하려고 했는데 you didn't do the last week too. I try not to say because it only makes my energy draining. It only makes my mouth hurts. You can say like this. And B, 알겠어. 이제 안 잃어버릴게. Okay, alright. I won't forget. Okay. Then let's try the exercises. Number 1. When can 입이 아프다 be used? Number 1. 입을 다쳤을 때. Okay, when your mouth hurts, you can say, oh, my mouth hurts. It's okay. But here, it's used as idioms, not just literal meaning. So, number 1 cannot be the answer here. Number 2. 말을 해도 소용이 없을 때. 소용이 없다 means no point or useless. So there is no point saying something is answer. 맞아요. It's the answer. Number 3, 말을 너무 많이 했을 때. When you say a lot, when you speak too much. And 입이 아파요? Can be, but here there is more likely answer here. So number 3 cannot be the right answer. Number 4, 말을 하기 싫을 때. when you feel you don't want to say. 입이 아프다? 아니에요. Number 2, let's complete the sentence. 저 사람하고 싸우면 그냥 경찰에 신고해요. If you fight, if you argue with that person, you are blank. So just call the police. It's quicker. 뭐예요? 저 사람하고 싸우면 입만 아파요. It only makes your energy drained. It only makes your mouth hurts because you have to keep saying the same thing and he or she wouldn't listen to it. Okay, I hope you understand well. And this is all for today. See you next time. 다음 시간에 만나요.